In order to factory reset your Realme GT 8 Pro, we actually have a couple of ways to do so. So the first method is to simply open the settings on your phone. Then we're gonna scroll down in here to choose System and Update. Then over here we can go to the Backup and Reset option. Then we have Reset Phone and then Erase All Data. Of course, in here we need to enter the screen lock password in order to continue. And then we can erase everything, but we can keep eSIM profiles, or you can decide to reset everything, including eSIM profiles. Of course, remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process, and because this will remove literally everything that you have on your phone. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can use the Find Hub and use, for example, your computer in order to reset the phone. And in this case, first we need to go to Security and Privacy. And then over here we can choose Device Finders, and then we have the Find Hub. Of course, Find Hub must be enabled in order to be able to use it. After that, you should be able to find your Realme GT 8 Pro over here on the left side, so you can select it. And after that, we should be able to also choose Factory Reset Device, so you can use that option. And last but not least, we can of course also use the recovery mode. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So we're gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time. And we're gonna slide it down in here in order to power off the phone. Once the phone is completely off, you will have to use power and volume down. You will have to hold these two buttons, but once you feel a vibration, or once you see the Realme logo, you want to hold volume down only. So let's press and hold both of these buttons and hold it for a couple of seconds. There we go. Now we're gonna release the power button, but keep holding volume down. And soon we should be able to open the recovery mode. There we go. Now over here in this place, you should be able to choose the language that you want to use. So of course we're gonna choose English in here, and then we have the format data option. You need to enter the verification code in here to confirm that you want to hard reset your phone. And if you go back to the main menu of the recovery mode, in case you erased everything and now you're back here, you can just reboot your phone in order to go back to the normal mode, and then you will see the initial configuration again. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.